Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, I would consider this a good solid day, mainly because of one dynamic here, and that was the fact that there was the gap up this morning, and then the price fell down a little bit, and then this candle hit it, and the price really got hammered during this 30-minute time frame. And in many cases before, because CHK has been so fragile and so bearish, that would have been all. It would have waved the white flag, and back down to the lows, the price would have went. But that's not what actually happened here. The price actually kind of just got stubborn, flexed its muscles, showed some green, and then eventually started to work its way back upwards. Now, don't get me wrong, that does not mean that for sure guaranteed this thing is going to get back up to 30 cents and break it. My point is, you wouldn't have expected that based on how the price has been acting. And most times after it had gotten that point, everybody would have just given up, and the bleeding would have continued, but it actually leveled off. Like I said, started to show some signs of strength. So from that point of view, 23 cents remains that key level of support. Like I said, it was very temporarily violated right there, but the bulls showed up and maintained the level. So 23 cents remains that very important level. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, still do have the 30-cent mark, which is definitely that more so overarching level. But now in the near term, you have that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is valued at 28 cents. So point here being, before you go and start to really put any focus or attention on breaking through 30 cents, in the near term, the price first needs to prove itself, and prove itself being defined as getting up above and staying above that purple line there. But like I said, I was very impressed today with how the price reacted, especially during that very crazy part where things were looking bearish, and still plenty of work to be done, don't get me wrong. But compared with the track record of how this has behaved in the past, you got to give credit where credit's due, and we'll see if this is some sort of leading indicator of maybe some more bullishness to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.